All right, guys, we're going to convert from factored form to general form when we have 3 binomials, and the process is very similar to when we have 2. We just have an extra step. Now, you're going to notice off on the right, I have the graph in there, and we're always going to use that graph because we want to go ahead and verify our answer in the end of our video. So let's go ahead and start. First thing I do is I pick one of the binomials to go on the side of our area model. So let's pick x plus 3. And then I just go to the next one, x plus 5, and I am going to put that one on the top, and I draw a vertical line that splits the binomial. Now at that point, I just start filling things in. So I have x times, remember this is multiply, so x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x, and then 5 times x, so 5 times x, which is 5x, and then 5 times 3, which is 15. Now, one of the things that I like to do, because it's going to help us later on in division, is I like to label this because we added the diagonal. So this becomes x squared, this becomes 8x, and this becomes 15. Now, in order to, and that is going to be the product of this piece. Now, to take it to the next step, I'm going to draw another box, okay? And I'm going to put the answer of the first box along the top. So I'm going to take x squared, put that on the top, take 8x, I'm going to put that on the top, and I'm going to take 15 and put that on the top. And I'm going to use the signs that are there. And then I'm going to take the last binomial, which in this case is x minus 6, and I layer it on the side. Okay. When I do that, I just start multiplying again. So in this case, I'm going to start with x squared times x, which is x cubed, x squared times negative 6, which is negative 6x squared, okay? 8x times x, which is 8x squared. Notice the squareds line up at the diagonal, and that should be the case. 8x times negative 6, which is negative 48x, okay? X times 15, which is 15x, and then 15 times negative 6, right? So 15 times negative 6 is negative 90. And if you didn't know that, we can go ahead and come over and type that in, because that's always a good thing to do if you're unaware. So let's just do that. 15 times negative 6. And there we go, negative 90. We're in good shape. Now, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add at the diagonal like we did in the first box. So you'll notice that I've got the x cubed that's right there. So I'm going to write, okay, x cubed goes here. X cubed goes here. This adds to negative 6x squared plus 8x squared is 2x squared. Negative 48x plus 15x is negative 33x. And then we have a negative 90. Now, when I take the answer out, I'm going to have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 33x minus 90. What I want to do at this point is the last piece. I want to check it. So I'm going to come over to the next cell, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 33x minus 90. Boom, check it out. It overlaps that original graph. That tells me that we converted factored form to general form correctly. And we use the area model to do that.